It sounds like you're making a distinction between a part and a felt sense or a direct referent.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'd love to hear about that.
Yeah. Okay. Um, a part a part is a kind of repetitive, it's a repetitive strategy. It's something that we have developed as a way of not dealing with something, but also dealing with something else. We still have to live our lives, and we have to live our lives as best we can. But a part is partialized. It's not got full access to our self as all of us.
Mm.
It's a way of dealing with specific situations so that we can avoid feeling certain things. And it's repetitive. It's this, you do the same kind of thing over and over and over again in the same kind of way. And it winds up building up layers because also parts, because they can only deal with a part of a situation, there is also an element of failure over and over again, which then has layers of shame, has
Mhm.
layers of feeling failure, it has layers of defensiveness. Then there is the what Jen would call a direct reference, which is how the body carries it. And you can sense that directly in your body, and you can symbolize that directly. And when you symbolize it accurately, it'll shift. So there's these two things, and we have different kinds of ways of approaching them because parts need relationship.
Mhm.
Felt senses don't actually need relationship. They need attention, but they don't need the same kind of relational contact. That's what we found.
Hmm. Interesting.
Yeah.
Um, so a part, the way you're describing a part, it sounds clear to me that it has an affective or a kind of emotional component.
Yeah. It has emotional, psychological, intellectual, even.
Yeah. But also, if you attend to a part, it can develop a felt sense. Maybe if we use an example, because I'm thinking
Okay.
of, for example, a self-critical process where I have a part of myself that says I'm not good enough in some way, and I live with the impact of that.
We would say there are two parts,
Yes. So those are two parts.
two different parts.
Yeah.
There's the one that's being critical, and there's the one that's feeling criticized.
Yes. But would you also then look for the feeling associated with each part?
Um, I would turn towards each part, and
Mhm.
I would first establish relationship. I would first
Yeah.
go, yeah, okay, I know you're there. And I can sense there's something going on for you. So I'm saying, I'm here to listen, I'm here to be with you, I'm here to really get how it is for you, however that is. And the ones that are critical often kind of hover over here and
Mhm.
they have opinions about. And I know that anything that has any part of me that has an opinion about another part or other people or whatever is anxious. I can
Mm.
take that to the bank.
Yeah.
So I know that it's worried about something.
Mhm.
And so I can offer it empathy already for its being worried. I can say, hmm, I'm sensing that maybe you're worried about something here. You're not wanting something to happen to me unless you step in and try and take care of things here. I know that no matter how critical it is, it's always worried. and is always trying to save my life.
Yeah.
I just, that's like the baseline for me is so. And I know that I am also not the target. Actually, I'm not the target. It just doesn't trust that I can cope with life. So it's having to
Mhm.
take care of things.
Mhm.
Okay. So, and so we have this, the deep empathy process in order to be able to really help it to articulate what it has not yet been able to fully articulate. So, and as it goes through that process, it starts to relax. It starts to believe that I'm around so that
Mhm.
it doesn't have to step in and direct everything.